Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we learned how to solve the fifth type of linear inequalities. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve word problems that involve the use of linear inequalities. So let's pick some examples and see how this is done. We have about 3 questions here. We will solve them one after the other. Take note of these questions. We will solve the first one in this video, then we will solve the other 2 in the subsequent videos. So let's pick the first one. It says that when thrice a certain number is added to 5, the result is more than 17. What is the range of values of the number? Now you can see from here that the question is not telling us to find the number. It's telling us to find the range of values, because for inequalities, you are going to get a range of values. You are going to get a lot of values. So that's what the question will be telling you to find, a range of values. So let's consider the question very carefully. When thrice a number is added to 5, the result is more than 17. What this means is that thrice a number means 3 times a number. Thrice a number, it means 3 times a number. So when 3 times a certain number is added to 5, the result is more than 17. You are supposed to find the range of values for the number. So let's begin. This is our solution. So we are going to, since we don't know the number and that is what we want to find, we are going to say that let the number be u. So we are representing that number, the number that we want to find. We are representing it with b. So we are going to let the number be equal to b. So we now know the number as b. Let's read the question again. It says that thrice a certain number. The number is now b, so it means that 3 times that number, 3 times b, is added to 5. So thrice the number is added to 5 means that you are going to have 3 times b plus 5. 3 times b is 3b, so you are going to have 3b plus 5. So we've now written the expression for the first part, which is thrice a certain number is added to 5. We've now let the number to be equal to b. So 3 times b is added to 5. So 3b plus 5. The question goes on to say that the result, this result, which is 3b plus 5, is more than 17. When we say something is more than 17, it means that that thing is greater than 17. So what this means is that this result here, 3b plus 5, is more than 17. What that means is that 3b plus 5 is greater than 17. So you see, it's very simple. We have now written the linear inequality. So from here, we can solve this linear inequality for b. So I'm going to go through the process again so that you get it very well. Okay, I'm going to clean all the ink here. It says that 3 times a certain number is added to 5. We don't know the number, so we represent that number by b. You can choose any variable. Now 3 times that number means you are going to have 3b, or 3 times b. The question says that 3 times that number is added to 5, so 3 times b plus 5. Then the result is more than 17. The result is 3b plus 5. This result here is more than 17, which means that 3b plus 5 is greater than 17. So 3b plus 5 is greater than 17, as we have here. So we can now solve this. We know that 3b plus 5 is greater than 17. If you are solving this, you are going to have 3b is greater than 17 minus 5. 3b will be greater than 12. We divide both sides by 3, as we've been doing all along. And b will be greater than 4. So the range of values is that b is greater than 4. So any number that is greater than 4 will satisfy the condition that was given to us. So b greater than 4, which means that we can now say that therefore the number is greater than 4. So any number greater than 4 will fit the condition that was given to us. So that is the range of values satisfy the expression in the question that was given to us. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video where we will take another example on word problems that involve the use of linear inequalities. Bye bye.